Hello, and welcome back to Street of Facts, where we delve into significant events shaping our world. Today, we're focusing on the devastating 7.7 magnitude earthquake that struck Myanmar and Thailand on March 28, 2025. We'll explore the details of the event, its causes, and its far-reaching impacts. On March 28, 2025, a powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck central Myanmar near Mandalay, the country's second-largest city. The tremors were felt as far away as Bangkok, Thailand, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. At approximately 12:15 p.m. local time, the earthquake's epicenter was located near Mandalay. The intense shaking led to the collapse of thousands of buildings, buckled roads, and destroyed bridges across multiple regions. In Bangkok, a high-rise building under construction collapsed, resulting in numerous casualties. Myanmar's geographical location makes it particularly susceptible to earthquakes. The country lies between the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates, with the Sagaing Fault running approximately 1,200 kilometers from north to south through cities like Mandalay and Yangon. This fault line is a significant source of seismic activity in the region. Following the initial earthquake, several aftershocks have been recorded, causing panic among residents and complicating rescue operations. The risk of further aftershocks remains, and authorities are urging caution. International aid has begun to arrive, with countries like China and India sending search and rescue teams, medical personnel, and supplies. Organizations such as Direct Relief have committed funds to support the response efforts. The disaster has compounded existing humanitarian challenges in Myanmar, including ongoing civil conflict and displacement of over 3 million people. Temporary ceasefires have been declared to facilitate aid delivery, but access to affected areas remains restricted. In Thailand, the earthquake caused significant damage in Bangkok, including the collapse of a high-rise building under construction, resulting in at least 22 deaths and dozens injured. The city's soft clay soil amplified the tremors, highlighting vulnerabilities in building structures. The March 28 earthquake has had devastating effects on Myanmar and Thailand, highlighting the region's vulnerability to seismic events. As rescue and relief efforts continue, the focus remains on providing aid to the affected populations and rebuilding the damaged infrastructure. Thank you for watching Street of Facts. Please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.